Today we will learn about present continuous tense. In this video, we will learn what is present continuous tense, usage and examples of present continuous tense, where to use is MR, categories of present continuous tense, formation of present continuous, positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. Present continuous tense denotes actions or events that are already in progress. We are talking about them. This tense is already known as progressive tense. For example, the girls are jumping in the park. The child is crying in the room. I am typing a letter. Let's learn the usage and accordingly examples of present continuous tense. Number 1. Actions happening now, like he is playing football now. The stars are twinkling. Number 2. Actions that are already planned, like he is watching movie with his friend next Sunday. I am taking my final exam. Number 3. To describe someone's routine, like he is studying in the library. She is cooking in the kitchen. Number 4. For changing situations, like the climate is getting hotter every year. Number 5. For expressing time at the moment of speaking, like we are performing our duty at the moment. Before discussing the categories of present continuous tense, it's important to learn where to use is, am, are. The helping verb is used with all the nouns and pronouns that are singular, like he, she, it, or any singular noun. For example, he is playing football. She is singing a song. It is falling. Johnny is riding a bicycle. The helping verb am is used with the pronoun I only. For example, I am painting. I am riding. The helping verb are is used with all the plural pronouns and nouns like they, we, you, or plural names. For example, they are sleeping. We are taking bath. You are fighting. Tim and Perk are going to the park. Present continuous tense is further divided into three main categories. Number 1. Present continuous positive. Number 2. Present continuous negative. Number 3. Present continuous interrogative. Let's learn the formation rules of these three categories one by one along with the examples. Number 1. Present continuous positive. When we want to form a positive sentence, we have to follow this formula. Subject plus is MR plus verb's first form with ing plus object. For example, I am taking my meal. Number 2. Present continuous negative. For the formation of negative statement, we will apply this formula. Subject plus is MR plus not plus verb's first form with ing plus object. For example, I am not taking my meal. Number 3. Present continuous interrogative. To form an interrogative sentence in present continuous, we have to apply this structural formula is MR plus subject plus verb's first form plus object plus question mark. For example, am I taking my meal? Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.